Okay guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Elite Screens 100-inch. It's a CineGrey screen, AR100H2. We're going to take it apart, we're going to see what we got, and let's go from there. So it's always good to check the box as soon as you get it, and I can see that we got a couple of good puncture wounds from it getting shipped here. So let's cut her open, see what we got. Oh, okay, what do we got here? Oh, I was gonna get my own tools out, but look at that. They give you a little mallet and a Phillips screwdriver. Ooh, look at that. There's a vertical piece, it appears to be. Okay, there's another vertical piece. These come apart. So we got lucky here. Those punctures really didn't affect the product at all. So this looks like a horizontal piece. And the trim. Let's go ahead and set this back here. It's another horizontal piece. That must be for a center bracket or something. So this obviously is a, oh okay, must be the cross beam for the support. And this, oh look. See, that's not cheap. That's like thick aluminum. Look at that. Okay, and now we have something for the kids to play with. I'm gonna set this aside where it won't get damaged while I go ahead and make the frame. Step one is going to be assemble the horizontal pieces. So let's go ahead and set this one face down here on a clean surface, relatively clean. So it looks like you take this right here, slide it in underneath. There's a little track for it, so you can't get it wrong. Line the screw holes. Slides into the track, like so. And then we screw the screws in. So if you look, this is one horizontal section, and there's 4 screws in it. It's tightly fit together. And let's get the next one built. Yeah. This is relatively simple. Honestly, I'm quite impressed with how simple this is. Just slide it in like so. Okay, now we have the 2 horizontal pieces complete. So you can see it just slides in right here, just like so. Maybe I'll just go ahead and leave that a little loose. pretty simple. It lines right in. You can see it just lines right up. Now, as you can imagine, this just go ahead and fits right in. I need the screen facing down because black is on the back, right? Yeah. Oh, look at that material. Wow. That looks terrific. Let's bring this over here. Well, making sure the corners aren't touching because the corners look quite sharp. Okay, let's attach the screen. So I'm gonna line this corner up with that corner. Let's do the first one real good. Then I'm gonna line this corner up with this guy right here. Let's put these corners on now. Okay, so I'm using the Optoma GT 1080 HDR. I wanted a third of the screen at the bottom to be roughly eye height. I went and measured it and it's about 36-ish inches off the ground, which is okay. So when you're sitting on a couch, your eyes should be about a third of the way up the screen when lined up. And with regards to the projector being mounted, I needed it 8 inches off of the ceiling for its throw. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this 8 inches from the ceiling. Oh, that's level. Perfect.